Hey, how are you? Another unboxing video, and today I'm actually got the pleasure to unbox a real icon of photography, a Leica M3. Not just any Leica M3. This one I purchased from Gus. I hope I get his name right. Gus Lazzari. I think he's got a must have Italian background. Anyway, yeah, Gus Lazzari is a highly esteemed camera technician and Leica technician, at least in the States, and apparently he's owned this camera for a number of years. He's fully restored it and also done some tasteful modifications to it. Anyway, let's open it up. I want to see. It's actually very light. It's a large box, but very light. So I don't know. Let's see. If you remember the last parcel I opened, the packing was absolutely shocking. So well, I should imagine this one's not, but I really have very high expectations here. So let's hope. Packing peanuts. No, we don't like packing peanuts, but that's all right. We'll forgive Gus for that. We'll forgive. There we go. Sorry, I just want to check because I'm not really good with these things, and yeah, it's still recording. Still recording. All right. False alarm. All right. So, look at the very clever. Very box inside the box. How about that? How about that? Alright, this is actually quite nice. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the way to pack. Box, box. Alright. Okay, let's see. And what's in here? That's just my address. Okay, an invoice. Alright, okay. Look at that. Look at this. I'll read it. Single stroke Leica M3 camera body, disassembly, repair, rangefinder prism in eyepiece, zone for impact, replace double stroke with single stroke, blah, 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 blah. He's done a lot of work to it. So there's $575 US worth of repair. Anyway, I bought this off of eBay. It was an eBay auction site, and I was definitely going to get it. So I used I used the sniper program. You know, if you really are set on winning an item, just use a sniper program. I think just Google, there's a few good ones. I used Bid Slammer. Here we go, we're getting to the pointy end of things. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay. I've just seen an interesting message in there. Okay, what does it say? Beware of sun in picture. May burn shutter curtain. This can happen within 1 second. How about that? Okay, so if you point your Leica M3 at the sun and you have your lens wide open, I should imagine, you'll burn your curtain if it's for more than 1 second. Although you probably wouldn't want a 1 second exposure if you're pointing at the sun, but I will certainly write to him and ask about that. On the other side, do not keep shutter cocked longer than 6 hours, made for off calibration. So that's something to keep in mind as well. That's quite odd. Okay. Okay, well, let's open it up, I guess. I was a bit careless. This is really nice, the way he's packed it. Very nice, but gee. not very good at unpacking. Okay, how do we do it? You hear my kids outside? I told them to go outside and don't be oh, let's just open it up like this, shall we? Just carefully. There we go. There we go. Ah, there was tape. You see? There's this. Ah, okay. You put this in front of the. Okay, fair enough. He could have used a. Alright, that's the only thing that I'll fault him on, is that he should have used a body cap. And that's alright. We'll live without the body cap. And look, I don't know if you guys can see this. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning in every way. Absolutely. Look at this. Fabulous. I'll look through the finder. The finder's clean, as it should be. Yep, the finder's clean. The mechanism is smooth, very smooth. Let's listen to some of the slow speeds, but it's just kind of pointless really. I mean, if he's just on a service, how about that? Oh, look at that. Look, I'm really pleased with this. This is just fantastic. Very beautiful. What are we going to put on this? Probably a Elma 52.8. I'm not a big fan of the Summicron, so I think it's going to be an Elma. Well, I guess that ends the video. I'm very pleased, and I will write back to Gus and just let him know that the camera is here, that I'm very pleased with it. Yeah. Well, thanks for following, and thanks for watching. Hope we can do more unboxing in the future. Cheers, bye.